Guys, hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you my newest Beyblade. It's Dark Knight Dragoon. Cool. It's cool. And by the way, I would make a shout out to say can say Johnson. So I'm gonna do an overview. Since I got too excited and I'm excited to do. It comes down. Wait, no. Excuse me, no. Okay. This is the baby. It's a first in YouTube with this Gordon Advisor Guru. I mean, Dark Knight Dragon Guru. Yay, I'm gonna get subscribers even though it's a HD. So thank you guys. By the way, please subscribe to the Hentis. It's a great YouTube. Bye. Bye bye.